Today, we celebrate International Mother Language Day. We celebrate the language that first shaped our thoughts, the language that carried our prayers, our stories, and our memories. Syriac is more than a language. It is one of the oldest living languages in the world, a language spoken by Jesus, written by monks, and preserved by generations who refuse to forget who they are. In its letters live faith and philosophy. In its sounds live homes, villages, and centuries of history. Though wars tried to silence it, and exile tried to scatter it, Syriac still speaks, on the tongues of children learning their first letters, in hymns echoing through ancient churches, in books, classrooms, and hearts that remember. To protect a language is to protect identity. To teach it is to give life to history. Today, we honor Syriac, not as a language of the past, but as a living voice for the future.